Nobody ever knows what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic, wig-related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you are one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. I am on the wig comparison train. So I just finished up doing this, which is Noriko's Jackson versus Noriko's May. So you can look at that wig comparison video if it is up. And then now I want to do this Noriko Jackson against Rene Paris's Laine and see if they are sister styles or not. So let's go ahead and open up Laine and look and see if visually we can see that there is a similarity. Now I have reviewed Laine in 2 colors, so you can see those videos. So I pulled the Laine that I have in the color Coffee Latte, which is the darker of the 2 colors, just because I wanted to make sure that I, you know, when you're comparing, it's kind of easier if it's a similar color for people to see the similarities. Even though it's a similar style, you know, the color difference can make a difference. So this is Laine. Right off the bat, I can tell you they have a very similar cap construction. You can see the review on it. The one difference is this has bendable ear tabs, whereas this one does not. So that's, in terms of cap construction, the only difference that I see thus far. They do have the same amount of infirmities, and let's see, they are parted in the same way. All right, I do feel like Laine is just a hair longer, but let me get Laine on and then we can do a little side-by-side comparison, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. So I know it's like gonna be a few minutes for me, but it's like a second for you. So now I have on Laine. I can tell you they're definitely sister styles. Laine might be just a hair longer, and she seems to be, the fibers are a little bit softer on Laine, so I feel like she doesn't sort of like, when you do this to Jackson, she'll kind of stick there without anything. Laine probably needs a little bit of hairstyling, pomade or something, or shampoo. Hairspray or something to keep her back where you want her. But I do feel in general they are very, very similar styles. So if you like Jackson, you'll like Laine. If you like Laine, you'll like Jackson. Okay, so I do see those similarities in the styles in general. So that's what I have for this sort of comparison video. Let me know what you think. I'm so uncomfortable in my chair. Let me know what you think. Do you think they're sister styles? Is there another style that you think is similar to this wig that you would want me to compare? You can put that down below. I will leave my full name brand wig playlist down below as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please. Why? If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.